video. In this video, we'll try to explore the Node Package Manager, which actually helps us to manage packages. Like for example, we want to install package, we want to initialize a project that defines project package.json file. Let's say we want to list the install packages inside a project, and then we want to uninstall. Um, Hopefully, if you're a beginner, watch till the end. So hopefully I could help you out here. So let's get started first with the help. Okay, so let's say we want to use the help command inside the NPM. But first, let's make sure that you have installed Node, of course. We won't be able to use NPM without Node because NPM is part of Node. So once you install it, let's say in your machine, once you install Node, NPM is part of it. So let's say one of the commonly known command in NPM is npm install. And let's say if you want to know the different options that you can provide when you type this command, just type hyphen help. It will give you a lot of information about it. It also gives you the aliases. So instead of typing install, you could probably put there I. So it's the same thing. Now, if you wanted to, let's say, know everything, just 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 for the sake of pretending that you want to know everything, you could type npm help and then install. It will give you the information, um, full documentation actually about it. So let's say, for example, I want to focus on the save part. I could click it and it will give you um, detailed information about it. So let's say save, it's default unless when using npm update where the defaults to false. Save installed packages to package.json file, meaning let's say you installed a new package, it will reflect inside the package.json, which we are going to see later. So it says will also prevent writing to package.block.json if set to false. So it's up to you guys. You could read a lot about it. And one more thing, one of the common is, I think it's save dev. I'm not sure why I can't see it here, but let me use the find function there. So it says package will appear inside your dev dependencies, which will also appear inside your package.json. So we'll see that a little bit later. Let me now create a project. One project, 2, 3, 4, 5. CD one project, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll open up Visual Studio. When I open up Visual Studio, it will open up the directory or the folder that I created, but I want to initialize the project. So one way to initialize is we could type npm init, and then it will ask you or prompt you with package name, description, version, the Git repository location. And it's up to you if you want to put the defaults, and if it's up to you, if you want to put a lot of things out there for the prompt, it's up to you. So for me, I'll just press enter just for the sake, to finish this up. However, again, let's create another one. So mkdir. Oh no, let me move a bit. mkdir. Let's say 2 project, 2, 3, then 2 project, and then open up Visual Studio Code again, just to show a point here. So with npm init, you could actually put the details there, right? But if you're in a hurry or you just want to go to the defaults, npm init //y. So there you go. You have now a package.json file that gives information about your project. So now that we have a bit of information about help package.json file. Let's now try to install this jQuery and object array. So let's clear the screen just to give, um, oops, apologies about that. Close this. Okay. Yeah, so npm install jQuery. So save. When I save, it will be part of the dependencies of this project. So another one is npm install object array save. It also be part of the dependency. So once you install these two packages or whatever package that you have installed, you'll see here a node module. So you see jQuery here and object array. Okay, now another thing is the dev dependency. So let's say, for example, we're gonna use TypeScript, and then we'll put some restrictions or linting our code. Let me copy this, and let me paste that. And instead of save, I'll say save dash dev, and remove that alt sign there. Press enter. Give it some minute. It will do its thing. It will probably install a lot of things for you, but once it's completed, it will show here in the dev dependencies section. So let's try another one. I'll just copy this so we won't make up a lot of time, waste a lot of time there. Save dash dev again. Move the alt sign there. So there you go. It's being installed now. For some reason, it's not working. Okay, gotcha. Got it. So let me clear that. Now that we have two packages, why not try to list them? So we could use npm ls dep 0. So it will show us the packages that is installed inside our project. Now, just in case you're wondering, could we also see the dependencies of those packages? So yeah, we could do that. So let's say the first dependency could be a good thing. So there you go. So for example, ESLint of TypeScript depends on these packages. Yeah. So yeah, so for the last part now, okay, let me try to, I think it's list. Yeah, so dep, let's say 10. There. So that's a lot actually. So it will give you a tree, right? So a tree. So what are the dependencies of the dependencies? Just in case you are interested, you got that command. Now, going back, we need to uninstall packages here. So let me clear things up. So npm uninstall, let's say jQuery. So when uninstalled, it will be removed inside the dependencies. So npm uninstall object array. So I just removed two of those. Oh, I think I typed it wrong. So uninstall object array. Yeah. So I just did remove those two packages. Now, if ever I want to list down again my packages, and I believe we got two. Yeah, apologies for that. ls step 0. So we got two, right? So I hope this video helps you out getting started with the NPM. So thank you guys and bye bye.